Before the world fades into familiar noise, there lies a realm of raw earth, where silence has a shape, and the wind sculpts horizons that seem endless. Welcome to Patagonia, Argentina's last untamed frontier. Patagonia is not a single place, but a collision of worlds. Here, mountains rise like the bones of the planet, jagged and fractured, towering in disguise so clear they seem to hold eternity. The Andes cut through the land like a great spine, their ridges shadowing valleys where silence feels alive. The glaciers, colossal and restless, breathe with the patience of centuries. Their frozen faces glow with an otherworldly blue, deeper than any ocean, brighter than any gemstone. As they fracture and collapse, the sound is not merely ice breaking, it is the echo of time itself surrendering to gravity. Beyond the ice, the plains unfold like an endless ocean of earth. Golden grasses bend and twist beneath the invisible hands of the wind. Dust dances across the flatlands, only to vanish as quickly as it appears. The land is vast enough to drown thought, wide enough to make the horizon feel unreachable. Then, without warning, lakes emerge. Mirrors stretched across the ground, reflecting mountains and clouds as though they belong to another world. Waters shift in hues, turquoise at morning, silver at dusk, black beneath the night sky where stars burn brighter than memory itself. Patagonia is a paradox, harsh and delicate, ancient and fleeting. In one direction, volcanic rock fields scarred by fire. In another, fjords carved with the slow patience of ice. Each curve of land holds a different story of the earth, written not in words but in stone, water, and sky. The winds of Patagonia are no mere breeze. They are sculptors. They grind the face of the mountains, sweep across deserts, and whip through valleys, turning sound itself into movement. Under their force, trees lean like bent figures, forever shaped by invisible pressure. Clouds sweep across the Andes with startling speed, cloaking peaks one moment, unveiling them the next. Shadows race across ridges and plains, giving the land a rhythm without sound, a heartbeat without a pulse. And then comes the light. Sunrises paint the cliffs in crimson fire, while sunsets dissolve the sky into lavender and gold. Each hour reshapes the land entirely, as though Patagonia refuses to be seen in the same way twice. At night, darkness here is not absence. It is abundance. The Milky Way arcs across the heavens in a spectacle so vast it feels close enough to touch. The land beneath becomes a silhouette, an outline, a whisper against the infinite canvas of stars. Patagonia is not waiting to be discovered, nor asking to be conquered. It simply exists, untamed, unforgiving, and unforgettable. It is not a destination, but a question. What remains of the earth when all else falls silent? Patagonia is not seen. It is felt. A land where silence roars louder than sound, and every horizon hides another beyond it. Step once into its vastness, and the image will echo forever.